Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to look at a microsystem that I picked up off Marketplace. I gave $5 for this. The guy says the CD works, the radio works, but the tape player doesn't work. So I'm just hoping that I've got a few belts lying around. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 screws to take out. And then hopefully we can pull the back off, have a look behind the tape player and see if we can stick one of the belts in that I've got from a bag of belts I picked up not so long ago, if I can find them. Anyway, let's get on with it. So this player actually comes with CD player. It says hello, CD 1. We can press. I have no speakers linked up at the moment, but is it playing? Is it spinning up? It says it should. Yeah, it's spinning up. Oh, there we go. It's actually playing now, so that's good. So it does play the CD. Tuner. We got FM, AM, just FM and AM. And then we have the tape player, which I have a tape in it. When we press play, if you listen, I can hear the motor turning, and when you turn it off, the motor goes off, but it just doesn't turn. Oh, hopefully this is going to be a simple fix with a belt. So let's get into it. Oh, I'll just show you on the back what there is on the back. We have right and left output, I think 2 speakers. Oh no, sorry, input maybe. MD. Must be, I think that must be input, like from a computer, because I have my other one. I have a microsystem similar to this, but it only has a CD player and a radio and an input, and the input I use for computer speakers, and it has the regular speaker connections and an antenna connection, which is pretty cool. Instead of your usual plug-in antenna, it's got this one. You can use this antenna too. This is for AM. Okay, let's get into it and let's strip it down. As you can see in there, I don't know, I'll just zoom you in a little bit, guys. Yeah, you can see there should be a belt from, I'm thinking that belt works along there, but there should be a belt from here to there, and that's just missing. Just totally missing. And there is another belt. I think that could be the timer belt, you know, for the, oh no, we don't have a trip timer on it. Not sure what the other belt's for, but it looks like there's a belt missing from there to there. So let's plug it in. Let's just double check that that motor's working. Yeah, can you hear that? Motor's definitely working. So yeah, it looks like a definite missing of a belt from there down to this one here. Hopefully it shouldn't be too hard of a fix. Let's got to find a belt now and see if we can get one to go on it. So in a way, I'm glad the belt's not there, because that means I don't have to clean up all the residue, you know, because usually they'll have residue all over them. And I have some belts here, a whole heap of them. Just drop one, there we go. It's just dependent on what size do we use. Do we use a the first one we can find. Let's try it. Might be a bit tricky for you guys to see, but I don't know. I might be able to get this belt over there. There we go. Oh no. I'm going to put it over the big wheel first, and then see if we can get it to go over the other wheel. No, it might be a bit big, this one actually. It might just be a little bit too big. I think it is. This one's definitely too big. So I have another one here, slightly smaller one. That one fits on there perfectly. I'll have to go with the screwdriver. I just got to be patient, I reckon. There'll be a special way of doing this, I know. And what it'll mean is that you've got to take the whole thing out and then put it on properly, but I'm just hoping that I can sneak this on like that. There we go. So that's on. That belt is now on. I didn't turn it off. So let's turn it on and see if that belt actually works. Yes, it's spinning. Let's get you guys in there so you can see what's happening. I'm going to press play now. And there you go. You can see it's spinning. But is the tape moving? Oh, there we go. Can't be that easy, can it? Is it that easy to fix it? Let's put some speakers on. Let's drop a tape in and let's see if it works. I'm not going to put the back on yet because I'm not sure if that's everything that's needed, but we'll put some speakers on and I'll get back to you with the tape. I've got a tape. Actually, I'm going to use an old tape, like I'll show you in a minute. I'll show you. It's a weird tape. So what I've got a whole stack of these machine transcription tapes that they just talk. It's just talking, I think. But at least if I put one of these in and it destroys it, it doesn't really matter. I can record over these as well. So let's try one of these in. And let's press play. I can hear something. Fast forwards.
Number 3. The third list of related items contains the names of famous pairs. Romeo, Juliet. Antony, Cleopatra. Napoleon, Josephine. Fred Astaire, Ginger Rogers. Prince Charles, Princess Diana.
Let's try another tape. There's too many blank spaces on that one.
Fury, manager.
Bass. Treble.
Date this letter August 9. This letter goes to Mr. R. Chrétien A.
Okay, let's try some music. It seems to do okay and it's not eating tape, so we're going to go straight for Genesis. I'll turn it down. Well, I've got to admit, that was a little bit easier than I thought it was going to be. Yeah, one little belt. That's all it took. One little belt. Seems tight enough. Seems to work. I think that was a bargain for $5. Once I fix the, put the back on and put it together. We'll put it together, see what it looks like. I'll try another tape in it, and then, yeah, we'll call it, we'll call that fixed. Well, we're back together now. One thing I didn't check, there's a couple of things I want to show you, but one thing I didn't check was whether or not the CD works. So let's go to CD. It says hello, track 1. It did say the CD worked, but I haven't tested it, so we'll just try that now. It's spinning. Yep. Working absolutely perfectly. This is James Blunt, but I can't play any of that because it's copyrighted. The other thing, radio. So let's go to radio, FM. See if there's any presets on this. This antenna, actually, it says $1 on it. That's because we were going to sell it at the tabletop sale we had years and years and years ago. This is like a proper antenna connection. So we'll put that on the top of there, and let's plug that into the back, because there is I think this is the FM antenna connection at the back, and the other one is the AM antenna. So we'll screw that in there just lightly, don't want to overdo it. Come on, go back to sleep. No, it's not working. I'll have to hold it there now. Yep, that's working.
And Carney of making dirty backroom deals in an attempt to build a majority.
Okay, so let's go back to the tape. Let's try a different tape in it. Go with new order. That's it. You know what I should do? I should give the heads a bit of a clean. I'm going to do that now. Exactly professional at this. There we go. Cotton bud. Let's give that a clean. Let's give the other heads a clean as well. The erase head and the roller. How the new order tape works. So that's Genesis, new order. Now new order is a lot of bass in it. You can tell if a tape player is working well by playing a new order tape, really. I know you're supposed to use a wow and flutter machine and everything, but I don't have any of that. That sounds good. That sounds good. Yeah. That sounds good. It didn't stick. Nope. Yeah, sounds good. Like I said, I can't play too much of it, but I've had a few issues with a few of my tape players, and they're all a little bit wobbly. So I'm going to test this out and see if it works okay for me. And if it does, then I will probably have this in my rec room area for chilling out and listening to my tapes. But yeah, that was a simple fix, wasn't it? That was so simple. Just one belt. I don't know where the other belt goes. Like I said, there's no timer. Maybe it's the auto shut off belt or something. But yeah, I'm all for a simple fix. I don't know where the old belt went though. Must be. Maybe they took it out and they didn't have a new one. I don't know. Who knows? But it works. See you on the next one.